Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to type the bar symbol, like X bar in Microsoft Word. This is very useful for statistics and math formulas. Let's get right into it. First, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Look towards the far right. Click on Equation, then select Insert New Equation. Once the equation box appears on your page, a New Equation tab will open in your top menu ribbon. Look for the Accent button. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. You will immediately see the options for a single bar and a double bar. Click on the one you need. A small dotted box with a bar over it will appear in your document. Just click inside that box and type your letter, for example, X. By default, Word might format this letter in italics. To fix this, simply highlight the letter, head over to the Home tab, and click the italic button to uncheck it. Now you have a perfectly formatted X bar. As a quick bonus, here is a faster shortcut. If you open an equation box, you can just type your letter X, then type a backslash, the word bar, and press the space bar. Word will automatically convert it into an X bar for you. That is all there is to it. If this guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.